Simply press the slide-out step switch until the slide-out step is all the way out and shuts off. The gas bottles are accessed externally via a convenient slide-out tray. Before using any appliances, first turn on the gas at the bottle. Ensure the tap lever mounted above the regulator is pointing toward the bottle you intend on using. It is imperative that your leads are 15 amps. This will allow you to plug in a 15 amp site. Plug the mains power into the van's power inlet. If you are in a remote area or plan on travelling into such areas, we suggest that you talk to your dealer about a generator that is applicable to your van, or a suitable solar system, if applicable. To fill the water tanks and connect to a water supply, unlock the water filler by rotating clockwise from the plastic key provided. The water tank's fillers are located to either side of the hose connection. That, when attached, will provide a constant supply of water to your kitchen sink, vanity and shower. Upon entering your motorhome, on the right or left side of the entrance, simply press down the black awning operator button to extend the awning. Please note the control panel may be situated on either side of the entrance depending on the model of your motorhome. Your Jayco motorhome awning is now complete and ready for use. The drifter control panel monitors water tank levels and the 12-volt battery charge state. It will show you the volts on your battery and the amps in your battery. The switch on the top of your battery switch, this will either turn on your battery power or isolate it. If the battery is off, it will say in the corner of the screen battery off and the water pump off. To turn on the battery, flick battery switch down. The battery switch needs to be on to charge up any power source. The bottom switch is your water pump switch, which will turn on your 12-volt water power. Flick the switch down to bring up your tank water levels. If mains pressure water is not available, use water in your tanks. Firstly, check the water level in your tank by viewing the monitor on your drifter control panel. To turn the pump on, use the switch with the water drop symbol. You can now turn on the tap. Please note, when using mains water, make sure the pump is turned off. Turn the gas bottle on, and also turn the water heater switch on. Located at the main switchboard, a light next to the switch will go out once the hot water system ignites. Your dealer will have demonstrated this to you. Simply turn the internal gas switch off. Open the door of the hot water service unit, remove the pin and turn the switch to the on position. Press the red button on the left to scroll through the menu. This will tell you the solar information required for use. Your dealer will have programmed your remote for use. You can adjust the airflow to the unit on all sides. Point the remote towards the unit, press the power on button. Please refer to the instruction manual though, supplied with the product for further use. Rotate the handle until it stops. This means that the antenna is at full height. Pull down and spin the exterior disc, which will rotate the antenna until you have reception. The TV can either be used on a 12-volt via the socket in the antenna point or direct to the 240-volt via the power point. Both leads are supplied with the unit. If running the TV on 12-volt, only a drop in the power can cause an intermittent drop in picture. For best results, use 240 volts as your first choice of power. The antenna has a built-in amplifier. Press the button to turn the amplifier on. Press power on the television and the DVD. For detailed use of these, refer to the owner's manual supplied with the product. Remember, before travelling, ensure the TV is secured. Make sure the antenna has a clear view of the sky and is not obstructed in any way. Turn on your satellite TV receiver and TV. Press the power button on the unit. When the display powers up, press the search button. The satellite system will now control the antenna. Please allow the satellite to rotate and search for the selected satellite. The display will power off to save power. To close the dish and to turn off your antenna system, press the power button on the display. This will wake up the system from its sleep mode. Now press the close button. This will start to close the dish to the home closed position ready for travel. Once this is completely closed, the display will power off and go back into sleep mode. Turn off your satellite TV receiver and TV. To turn on, press the button labelled with an S for source. Press the source button to scroll through the functions. To insert a disc, press the top left button and the face will drop. Insert the disc and close the face. For more features, please refer to the user manual supplied with the product. Turn the power button on and select AES. The fridge will then automatically select the energy source. Please refer to the owner's manual for further use. Please use the touch control to operate the Rangehood. This includes LED downlight, fan and speed settings. Turn and hold down the knob for the burner you wish to light. Now press the ignite button and hold down until flames appear from the burner. The same process applies with the griller and oven if applicable. Please note that the grill door is to remain open when the griller is in use, and the glass lid must be fully up when any burners are in use. When using the griller for the first time, run for 15 minutes and the oven for 30 minutes without food inside. It is important to turn off all burners and allow them to cool down before closing the lid. Remove the cooking plate from the microwave oven before you start travelling. The microwave has a 25-litre oven capacity and 5 power level setting. The microwave has the following settings: quick start, auto defrost, speed defrost, multi-stage cooking, auto cook, and features a child lock option. If your unit features an electric slide-out lounge or bed, simply press the slide-out switch down until the slide-out is all the way out and shuts off. The roof hatch can be used in 2 positions. Please follow the grooves to select the position. You can slide the fly screen across the roof hatch for protection, while still allowing light through. There is also a block-out screen for use. To reach extra storage, simply lift the bed with the assistance of the gas struts. Once the mains or the 12-volt pump are going, just simply rotate the flick mixer to the desired temperature and pressure. You will find the toilet chemicals under the toilet lid. Before you use, move the grey latch located on the toilet base to the left-hand side. Your dealer will have explained how to use the cassette to you. Locate your cassette and apply the chemicals as per your dealer's instructions. The Sphere 3kg washing machine has 5 processes, from a wash-rinse spin cycle lasting approximately 38 minutes to a simple spin cycle lasting approximately 7 minutes. Wash settings are set via the control panel. To wash clothes, select the proper water level according to the quantity of clothes. Select the programs and process. Close the lid and press the Start/Pause button. For more information, refer to your washing machine operation manual. Your reversing camera is located at the back of the van. When in reverse, you will see a picture from the rear of your van. Close the awning. Check that the brake lever of the awning is in the closed position, as well as the arm storage lock and turning knob is tight. Close the electric slide-out. Turn off the gas. Wind the rear jacks up. Put the jockey wheel into the bracket and raise the jockey wheel until it is lifting the front of the van. Wind up the front jacks. Lower the jockey wheel so the hitch on your van can catch onto the tow ball. Release the handbrake. Using a good fiberglass polish and a car cleaner that does not contain ammonium, use warm water and a sponge to remove dirt and grime, and in most cases warm water will be sufficient. A soft cloth needs to be used when cleaning the windows to prevent scratching. Once again, please remember, cleaning products must be ammonia-free. Check the VIN plate for correct tyre pressures. Be sure to check before every trip. Remember to check your wheel nuts every 100 k's for the first 400 kilometres. Your first service is at 1,000 kilometres and every other service after 10,000 kilometres or every 12 months. For safety reasons, be aware that you need more room for turning and extra space required when approaching and exiting fuel bowsers. Be aware when towing, you do need a greater braking distance while in traffic and when approaching traffic lights. If you require more advice in towing skills, we suggest you liaise with your dealer. Most recognised caravan parks have provision to dispose of waste from your toilet. Just remember, if you are unsure, ask one of your fellow Jayco owners. We are sure that they will only be too happy to help and offer advice.